In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a LinkedIn post. Whether you're looking to boost the reach of valuable content or highlight an interesting post to your network, sharing on LinkedIn is a great way to engage and provide useful insights to your connections. So, let's dive into a step-by-step guide to make you a LinkedIn sharing pro in just about 5 minutes. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once there, you can sign in using your Google account for quick access, or simply continue with your existing LinkedIn account. Occasionally, LinkedIn might prompt you with a CAPTCHA to ensure additional security measures are in place. It's a quick step to keep your account safe. Once you're signed in and ready to go, head over to your LinkedIn feed. This is where all the magic happens. Your feed is a dynamic space filled with posts from your connections, groups you're part of, and any companies or hashtags you follow. Take a moment to scroll through and find the post that resonates with you, or you think will be beneficial for your connections to see. When you've located the post you want to share, look for the repost button. This option is designed to let you seamlessly share content found on LinkedIn with your own network. Clicking this will start the process of creating a new shared post. Next, you'll be prompted to click on Create a new post with this post attached. This is your opportunity to make the shared content your own by providing your insight, perspective, or why you think it's worth sharing. It's a good practice to add a personal touch to shared posts, as it helps start conversations and makes your repost more engaging. Now it's time to type in your thoughts. Whether it's a brief comment on why you find the post insightful, asking your network for their opinions, or simply adding a few words of encouragement for your connections to check it out, this is your chance to personalize the shared content. Remember, your comment is an integral part of the shared post, so make it meaningful. Finally, once you're satisfied with your commentary and ready to share the post with your network, just hit the post button. Congratulations! You've successfully shared a post on LinkedIn. This shared content will now appear in your connections feeds, sparking engagement, conversations, and potentially even more shares. Sharing content on LinkedIn is not only about spreading information, but also about nurturing your professional relationships and building your personal brand. It demonstrates your active participation in your professional community and can help keep you top of mind among your connections. Keep these steps in mind the next time you come across a post worth sharing, and you'll be contributing positively to your LinkedIn network. Remember, LinkedIn is a powerful platform for professional growth and networking. By sharing insightful content, you're not just expanding your reach, you're also providing value to your connections. Happy sharing, and I look forward to seeing how you engage with and contribute to your network on LinkedIn.